Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the new lesson, that is coordinate geometry. So this chapter we already discussed in the 9th standard also, is it right? So we have to continue this chapter for this years. See, what do you mean about coordinate geometry? We already discussed in the 9th standard. So what is that coordinate geometry? Coordinates means the points of x and y in the graph sheets. See, the x-axis and the y-axis, is it right? So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. These x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other, is it right? So it divided into 4 parts. So that is called as quadrant. See, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, third quadrant and the fourth quadrant, is it right? So first quadrant points are always positive and plus and plus. So second quadrant, first minus, after that plus. Okay. In the third quadrant, minus and minus, both are negative points. In the fourth quadrant, first is plus and second one is minus. Okay. So these are the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So in these quadrant, the first quadrant are both are positive points, positive coordinates. In the second quadrant, one minus and negative and one is positive. And the third quadrant, both are negative. In the fourth quadrant, the first one is positive, second one is negative. Okay. See, in that, and also we have to discuss in the last classes the x coordinate. Okay, x coordinate are called as, what we call as x coordinate are called as abscissa. X coordinate abscissa anta kariti, is it right? And y coordinate are called as what is that? Ordinate. X coordinate abscissa anta kariತೀವಿ and then y coordinates ordinate anta kariತೀವಿ. Abscissa and ordinate are also called as x coordinate and the y coordinates, is it right? Then students, the x points, x coordinates is always perpendicular to y axis. Okay. See, these are the points, x points, is it right? See, this is x and this is a y. For example, this is a 2, 2. So this point is always perpendicular to the y axis, and then y coordinate is always perpendicular to the x axis, vice versa. Y coordinate is always perpendicular to x axis. Understand? So x coordinate is always perpendicular to the y axis and the y coordinate is always perpendicular to the x axis, vice versa. So next one, see, suppose the x points are the coordinates of the points on a x axis. For example, this is the one of the points on a x axis. This is the y axis and this is the x axis. The coordinates of a point, if the coordinates of the points on a x axis in the general form is x comma 0, is it right? So because of this is on the x axis, okay. See, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು x, 0 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದನ್ನ 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ we have to represent the x points, after that y points, is it right? So this is the x coordinate, first we have to 2, and y coordinate, is it there? Y coordinate, so y coordinate is 0, that's why 2, 0. So these points we can generally we have to represent it x, 0. Okay, like that y axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ the coordinates of the points on the y axis, for example 1, this is 2, this is 3 something. So these points, okay. So how to represent these points? 3. How to represent these points? First we have to represent the x axis. Where is the x axis? Left to right on the x axis. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 0 and y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0, y. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ y axis, the coordinate of the points on a y axis. So the coordinates of the points are represented the x axis, then the general form is x, 0, on a y axis is 0, y. So keep in your mind, is very important concept. Okay. So next students, the coordinates of the points we can represent generally x, y. So these are the general form we can represent the coordinates of the x axis and the y axis points we can represent it x, y. Are you understood? Yes. Then one more thing students. Next one, distance formula. Distance formula. What do you mean of distance? Distance formula. See, distance we have to measure by meter, kilometer, centimeter, etc. Is it right? See, in a coordinate geometry, see, this is one of the point A and this is the point B. I don't know. So this point is 2, 4 and this point is -3, -5, something is there. So what is the distance between these 2 points? These 2 points, I don't know. So if you are using this scale, we can easily have to represent, or on a graph sheet you can easily have to represent it. But sometime we have to represent these, we have to find out the distance A and B. How you are calculating by formula? So this is a graph sheet and we are using a scale. Easily we have to find out. Without scale, how to find the distance between the any 2 coordinates, any 2 points on the distance between A and B. So that one of the beautiful formula, that is the distance formula can be represented. Distance formula, it is equal to square root of x2 minus of x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. What is that? x2 minus of x1 whole square plus of y2 minus of y1 whole square. So keep in your mind, is a very important formula. So how you are using this formula? See, this is the A point and this is the B point. We have to find the distance between A and B. So the points are A is 2, 4 and B is -3, -5. So we have to give the x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Like that you have to represent it and substitute these values. You have to use by using this formula. You can easily have to find the distance between the any 2 points of the points. Okay. So that questions we have to discuss in this exercise problems. Okay. Yes. Now students, see, what do you mean about collinear points? Collinear points. What do you mean about collinear points? Collinear points means, see, 3 or more points are lying on a same straight line. Is it right? So this A, B and C. There are 3 points are there. All these 3 points, 3 or more than 3 points are lying in a same straight line. Then the 3 points are called as collinear points. Sometimes this and this and this. This is A, B and B and D, C. So are they collinear of these points? Are they collinear? No. If you are joining any 2 points, it becomes straight line. But I want minimum 3 points that it lying on a same straight line. Then it is a collinear point. But all these 3 points are non-collinear points because of all these 3 points are not lying in a same straight line. That's why. Okay. And also in a distance formula, see, in a distance formula, the length of C. You can take any triangle A, B and C. Okay. See, in that AB, AC and BC, there are 3 distances are there: AB, BC, AB, BC and AC. Okay. All these 3 distances, we can take any 3 points in a same straight line. A, B and C. This one dot dot, you have to take this one. So these points, are they collinear points or not? How to check these 3 points are collinear or non-collinear points? By using a distance formula. So one more method is there. So that method, the sum of any 2 sides AB and BC. AB and BC is equal to AC. AB ಮತ್ತೆ BC ನ ಸಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? AC ಬರಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ BC and BC plus BC and AC. BC plus AC, AB plus BC is equal to AC, or BC plus AC is equal to AB, or BC if you want means AB plus AC. We can get BC. So all these three conditions, if we can satisfy any one of the conditions, then that these 3 points are collinear. If they are not satisfied any one of the conditions, these 3 points are non-collinear points. So let me discuss in the exercise problems. Okay? Yes. Yes. Shall we go to the directly exercise questions? Yes. Question number exercise 7.1. In that exercise, find the distance between the following pairs of points. So they are given the following pairs of points. We have to distance between these points. See, for example, first one 2, 3, and another one is 4, 1. 4, 1. So there are 2 points are there. These pair of points, what is the distance between these 2 points? So what is the distance formula? So we have to use that A of 2, 3. This is, we can take B of 4, 1. We can take any letters. Okay. So this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. You can give this is x2, y2, this is x1, y1. Anyone you have to give it, no problem. See, now I will give one. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay. So now we have to use this formula. AB is equal to square root of the distance formula. AB is equal to x2 minus of x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. Okay. This is the distance, finding the distance between the any 2 points. Okay. So this formula you have to use it. So square root of x2 means what? x2 is 4. 4 minus x1 means 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 1 minus y1 means 3. 1 minus of 3 whole square. So now you have to calculate it. 4 minus of 2 it becomes 2 square plus 1 minus of 3 it becomes minus 2 whole square. Okay. So square root of 2 square means 4. Minus 2 whole square is also a 4. So 4 plus 4 it becomes 8. So 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So 4 we have to take out the root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. What is the remaining? 2. 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units. Are you understood? So this is the 2 root 2 is the distance between the 2, 3 and 4, 1. Are you understand, students? So like that second question is there. Can you do it in your own? Yes. Like that third question also is there. So you have to solve it in your question number 2nd and question number 3rd in the first page. Okay. So I will go to the question number 3. Second one also is there. So same is there. That one 0, 0 they are given, and 36, something 7 something is there given. So you have to this one x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. You have to use this the distance formula. You have to substitute the values on formula. You have to find out the distance between the 2 points. Next I will go to the question number 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are they collinear? Yes. Now only I told that. So the sum of any 2 distance equal to the third distance. If they are not equal, they are not collinear. If they are equal, it is a collinear. Let us check it. There are 3 points they are given. So first one A points. What are the first points? 1, 5, 2, 3. This is 1, 5 and B of 2, 3 and C of 2, 3 after minus 2, minus 11. Minus 2, minus 11. Okay. Now we have to check it. Is it a collinear or not collinear? So first I will A 1, 5 and B 2, 3. I will consider the first 2 points. So that's why I will find out the distance of AB. The distance between A and B we have to find out first after B and C, after A and C. Okay. See the square root of this is x1, y1 this is x2 comma y2. So the distance between the AB is square root of same formula, x2 minus of x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. Now square root of x2 minus of x1 whole square means x2 means what? This is 2 minus x1 means 1. 2 minus of 1 whole square plus y2 means 3. 3 minus y1 means 5. 3 minus of 5 whole square. Now square root of 2 minus of 1 means 1 square plus 3 minus of 5 means minus 2 whole square. 3 minus of 5 is minus 2 whole square. Square root of 1 square means 1. 3 minus 2 whole square means 4. So square root of 5. The distance between A and B is root 5 units. Like that, we have to take B and C. So what are the B points? 2 comma 3 and C points minus 2 comma minus 11. Now this is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Okay. Sir, here x2 y2 we are given, here x1 y1, no problem. ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಈಗ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಓಕೆ, therefore the distance between the BC, again same formula, I will write down directly x2 minus of x1. x2 means minus 2 and then minus of x1 means 2. Minus 2 whole square plus y2. y2 means what? Minus 11 minus of y1 means 3. Minus 3 whole square. Next, square root of minus 2 whole square means minus 4 whole square plus of minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 whole square. Square root of minus 4 whole square means 16 plus minus 14 whole square means 196. So square root of 212. 196 plus 16 is equal to 212. So square root of 212 can be written as 4 into 59 because of 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Remaining is 4 5s are 20. Remaining 1 4 3s so 15 are 53. 4 5s are 20. 1 remaining 12 become 4 3s are 12. Therefore, square root of 4 is 2 root 2 53 units. Okay, this is the length of BC. And then last finally AC. A points, we have to write down the A points 1 comma 5 and C points minus 2 comma minus 7. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, now the length of AC is equal to square root of, so directly I will use it formula. x2 means minus 2 minus of x1 means 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1. y2 means minus 11 minus of y1 means 5 minus 11 minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 is equal to minus 16 whole square. It is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square means 9 plus minus 16 whole square means 256. So therefore square root of 256 plus 9, 265. 265. This is the length of AC. See students, AB is a root 5, BC is a 2 root 53 and AC is 265. Can you sum of any two sides equal to the third side? So root 253 and root 5, it cannot add it. So the sum is not equal to 2 root 65 and square root of 253 and square root of 265. If you are summing sum of these two length, it will not equal to the root 5. That's why these are non-collinear points. Therefore AB plus BC is not equal to AC, or BC plus AC is not equal to AB and AC plus AB is not equal to BC. So that's why A, comma B and C are non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. You understood? ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. therefore these 3 points are non-collinear points. Can you understand? Yes. Next one, question number 6th one. Name the type of a quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. See, I will take only 2 questions. In the remaining 1 questions are in your textbook. You have to solve in your room. Okay. See, 4th one question is there, 5th one question is there. I will leave it. You can do it in your room. Okay. So, question number 6th one, they are given 4 points. 4 points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ 4 points ಇಂದ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it right? 4 points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ 4 points ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. I don't know. So, which we have to find the name of the type of a quadrilateral. ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ so ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. They are given 4 points. So we have to find first all the 4 sides length AB, BC, CD and DAD. We have to use finding the all these 4 points, and also we have to find the length of the diagonals. The diagonals length nu find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 sides ನ length nu find out ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು 4 sides equal ಇದ್ದು diagonals ಗಳು ಏನಾದರೂ equal ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 sides equal ಇದ್ದು diagonals unequal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು rhombus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Opposite sides ಗಳು ಏನಾದರೂ equal ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು rectangle ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ diagonals equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Diagonals equal ಇದ್ದು opposite sides ಅಲ್ಲಿ equal ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು rectangle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ opposite sides ಗಳು equal ಇದ್ದು diagonals ಗಳು ಏನಾದರೂ unequal ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು parallel ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we have to use this distance formula. We have to find the which of the given quadrilateral. Given points are which quadrilaterals. Yes, I will show the 1 questions. Remaining 2 questions you have to solve in your home. Okay. So number 1, -1 comma -2, and this is a first one, and B points 1 comma 0 and C points -1 comma 2, C points -1 comma 2 and then -3 comma 0, D points -3 comma 0. They are given 4 points. We have to use the AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay, we have to use these 4 sides length after the diagonals length. Okay, see, this is the one of the quadrilateral. I don't know which quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. Okay, first AB, BC, CD and DA. After that diagonals length, diagonals AC and BD. See, all 6 lengths we have to calculate it first. After that we have to decide which type of a quadrilateral. Okay, first I will length of AB. First I will take it as A length -1 comma -2 and B of 1 comma 0. So this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. Okay, so we have to calculate the length of AB. Square root of x2 minus of x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. Okay, so square root of what is the x2? This is 1. x1 means -1. Minus of -1. Be careful, students. This is a formula minus. This minus is points coordinate minus. Okay, that's why you have to put bracket whole square plus. Then y2 means 0 minus y1 means -2. Minus of -2 whole square. So square root of 1 minus 2 minus plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 whole square. Okay, square root of 1 plus 1 2 square. 2 square means 4. So 2 square means 4. 4 plus 4 root 8. Root 8 means 2 root 2. Correct? 2 root 2. This is the length of AB. Like BC. B of 1 comma 0 and C of -1 comma 2. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so we will take it as BC. BC is square root of. Okay, so then BC, what is the x2? x2 means -1 minus of x1 means 1 -2 -1 whole square plus y2 means this is y2. y2 means 2 minus of 0 whole square. See, square root of -1 -2 whole square plus 2 square. See, square root of -2 whole square means close. This is also 4. This is also root is. This is 2 root 2. So this is the length of BC. Okay. Next I will go to that BC after CD. So that's why we have to write the first C points -1, 2 and D of -3, 0. Okay. AB, BC, CD. Yes. So the length of CD is equal to square root of. So same formula, x2 minus of x1. Where is x2? This is a x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Yes, x2 means -3, -3. Minus of x1 means minus of -1 whole square, plus y2 means 0 minus of 2 whole square. Okay, square root of -3 -2 minus plus 1 whole square, plus 0 minus 2 means -2 whole square. So square root of -3 -1, -3 plus 1, it become negative, subtract. So -3 plus 1, it become -2 whole square, plus -2 whole square means 4. So -2 whole square plus 4, it becomes √8. Therefore BC is, this is CD. So therefore CD is equal to 8 can be written as again 2√2. How can we become a 2√2? See, very simple students. So √8 can be written as 4 into 2. Okay, the square root of 4 is 2 √2. Understood? Like that, this is also √8 can be written as 4 into 2. So 4, the square root of 4 is 2 √2. Okay, this is also 2√2, and √8 is also becoming 2√2. Next I will go to that CD after AD. AD is equal to, first I will write on the A -1, -2, and D points are -3, 0. Okay, see, AD is equal to square root of, what is the formula? x2 minus of x1. This is a x1 y1, this is x2 y2. x2 means -3 and minus of -1 whole square, plus y2 minus of y1. See, y2 minus of y1. So y2 means 0 minus of -2 whole square. So square root of -3 -2 minus plus 1 whole square, plus 0 -2 minus plus 2. Okay, plus 2 whole square. See, square root of -3 plus 1, it becomes -2 whole square, plus 2 square is 4. Therefore -2 whole square means plus 4 plus 4, it becomes √8. √8 it becomes 2√2. Okay, this is the length of AD. See, AB is also 2√2, BC 2√2, CD is also 2√2, and AD is also 2√2. All sides of a quadrilateral are equal to each other, and we have to check the diagonals. If the diagonals are equal, then it is a square. If the diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. Very simple. Okay. So diagonals, the length of the diagonal. See, first, see, if you have any doubts, we have to write the diagram. Okay, then it become very easy. Okay, first A points. See, AB length ಆಗಿದೆ, BC length ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ, CD length ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ AD length ಕೂಡ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? AC length ಮತ್ತೆ BD length ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, AC length ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ C ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. What is the A points? -1, -2 and C points -1, 2. Yes. So AC length ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ square root of is x2 means x2 minus of x1. So this is a x1 y1. This is x2 y2. x2 means -1 minus of -1 whole square. Okay. So then plus y2 minus of y1. y2 means 2 minus of -2. Minus of -2 whole square. Then square root of -1 -2 minus plus 1 whole square, plus C 2 -2 minus plus 2 plus 2 whole square. Then square root of -1 plus 1 0 square means 0, plus 2 plus 2 4 square, 4 square means root 16. 4 square 16. 16 plus 0 is equal to 16. This is the AC. Therefore, AC is equal to what is the square root of 16? It is equal to 4 units. Square root of 16 is 4 units. Okay. So like AC over. Then we have to calculate the BD. BD is equal to, so first we have to write down the coordinate of B. So B points are 1, 0 and D points are -3, 0. Okay. See, this is the x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So the length of BD is equal to square root of x2 means -3 minus of -1. See, x2 minus of x1 means this is the x2 minus 3, x1 means -1. So -3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. 0 minus of 0 whole square. Y2 is also 0, y1 is also 0. Therefore, square root of -3 minus 1 become -4 whole square plus 0. So it is equal to square root of -4 whole square means root 16 plus 0, root 16. So what is the square root of 16? It will become 4 units. Is it right? Therefore, see students, all the sides are equal and the diagonals also equal. Therefore, it is what? It is a square, because AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA or AD. Okay, and all are equal to each other. Is equal to how much? 2 root 2 units, and AC is equal to BD is equal to 4 units. Therefore ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Suppose ಎಲ್ಲ sides equal ಬಂದಿದ್ದು diagonals ಏನಾದರೂ unequal ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ, therefore it is a rhombus. Okay, we have to solve like this problems. Okay, yes. In the remaining 2 questions are there, students. This is 3 questions. Second question also is there. Can you solve in your home? Yes. Now I will go to the question. Next question. Yes, question number 7. Find the points on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. -2, 9. Okay. Yes. See students, find the points on the x-axis. x-axis ಇಲ್ಲಿ x-axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. x-axis ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, that is called as P. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 2, -5 and -2, 9. -2, 9. Okay. Yes, -2, 9. 2, -5 and -2, 9. Yes, these 2 points are on the x-axis. Okay, so this P is also on the x-axis. Okay, x-axis ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ? x, 0. Is it right? x, 0. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this points lie on a x-axis. y ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ? 0 ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ x, 0. So these p points are equidistant from A and equidistant from the B. Therefore AP is equal to BP ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Is it right? AB ಅನ್ನೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವಾಗ AP ಮತ್ತೆ BP ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ? ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then we have to find the x value. Okay, these points we have to calculate it. Okay, therefore first I will AP is equal to BP. I will call it as number 1. Okay. First we have to calculate the length of AP and the length of BP. Then we have to substitute in the equation number 1. After we have to calculate the x value. Okay, first I will calculate the AP. If you want to AP, first you have to write down the coordinate of A. 2 comma minus 5 P of x comma 0. So this is a x1 and this is a y1. This is x2 comma y2. Now we have to find out the AP length, square root of x2 minus of x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. Every time you have to put the formula. Okay. Square root of x2 means x minus of x2 means x minus of x1 means 2, x minus of 2 whole square plus y2 means 0, y1 means minus of minus 5 whole square. Now square root of x minus of 2 whole square plus 0 minus no minus plus 5 whole square. Now square root of x minus of 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 square is 25. So this is the length of AP length. Okay. Next BP length. BP length means if you want to means minus 2 comma 9 and P points are x comma 0. Okay. This is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Then length of BP is equal to again formula x2 minus of x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. Okay. The square root of x2 means x minus of x1 means minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 0 minus y1 means 9. 0 minus 9 whole square. Then square root of x minus 2 minus plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 minus 9 whole square. Therefore square root of x plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square means 81. Okay, so this is the length of BP. Now AP is equal to BP. The length of AP and BP we have to substitute in equation number 1. Okay, from 1, what is the length? AP is equal to BP. Okay, what is the length of AP? Square root of x minus 2 whole square. Square root of x minus of 2 whole square plus 25. Okay, it is equal to what is the length of BP? Square root of x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square plus 81. Plus 81. Now square root ಇದೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. Squaring on both sides ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Remaining x minus 2 whole square plus 25. It is equal to squaring on both sides. Square root get cancel. Remaining what? X plus 2 whole square plus 81. So x minus of 2 whole square ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus 2 whole square ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus x plus 2 whole square ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Yes. Is equal to 81 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ plus 25 ನ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 25. So now see students, x minus 2 whole square, this is x plus 2 whole square. This is a square minus b square format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes. ಅಥವಾ a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. a minus b whole square ಮತ್ತು a plus b whole square ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಡಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ a square minus b square format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ನಾನು a square minus b square format ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is the mean? a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Is it right? So I will substitute. So what is an a? A means x minus 2. Okay, plus x minus 2 plus b means this is a b. This is a and this is b. This is a plus b. B means x plus 2 into a plus b after a minus b. A means again x minus 2 minus of minus b means x plus 2. So we have to put bracket because of outside is negative sign is there. That's why is equal to 81 minus of 25 become 56. After that minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. Remain x plus x 2x. Now x minus of 2 minus 2 plus minus minus into minus x minus into plus minus 2. It is equal to 56. Now minus x plus x get cancelled. 2x is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 56. So So plus into minus minus, 2 4s are 8 into x. 8x is equal to 56. 8 1s are 8, 8 7s are 56. Therefore x is equal to minus 7. Therefore find the value of find the points on the x-axis means therefore the points are p of x comma 0 is x plus minus 7 comma 0. This is the minus 7 comma 0 is these points are equidistant from the 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Are you understand, friends? So like these questions, it's a very important questions to the examination, friends. You have to practice well in your home. Okay. So like that, the last question is there in this session. Question number 8. Find the value of y. Y value find out ಮಾಡಿ. For which the distance between the points, ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ 10 units ಇದೆ. The distance between the two points 2, -3 and 10, y is 10 units. ಅವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. We have to calculate the y value. Okay, very simple. So p of 2, -3 and q of 10, y. 10, y. Okay. They are given distance of PQ is equal to 10 units. They are given distance, already given the distance. PQ distance they are given. We have to calculate the y value. So that's why this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay. What is the distance formula? PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus of x1 whole square plus y2 minus of y1 whole square. Yes. PQ means 10. They are already given the length. PQ length they are given 10. Square root of x2 means this is a 10. So 10 minus of x1 means this is 2. 10 minus of 2 whole square plus y2 means y minus y1 means minus of 3. Minus of 3 whole square. So next square 10 is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 means 8 square plus y minus into minus plus 3. Y plus 3 whole square. Now friends, 10 is equal to square root of 8 square means 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. Now square root cancel ಮಾಡಬೇಕು square in both sides. So ಆಗ 10 square ಇದ್ರೆ 100 is equal to 64 plus of y plus 3 whole square. Okay, 64 have to send to the LHS. It become 100. It become minus 64. It is equal to y plus 3 whole square. So y 100 minus of 64 it becomes 36. 36 is equal to y plus 3 whole square. Okay. So therefore y plus 3 whole square is equal to 36. I want y plus 3. Y plus 3 is equal to square root of 36. Square root is square root. Therefore y plus 3 is equal to square root of 36 is equal to plus or minus 6. Keep in our minds, friends, in a quadratic equations ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6. Therefore y is equal to y plus 3 is equal to ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಅಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ y plus 3 ನ ಆರ್ y plus 3 ನ is equal to minus 6 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಎರಡೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So therefore y is equal to 6 minus plus 3 ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 3. Therefore 6 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 3 will become 3. Y is equal to 3 or y is equal to minus 6 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ plus 3 ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore y is equal to minus 6 and minus 3 will become minus 9. Therefore this is the value of y. Suppose y value is 3 or y value is minus 9. Any one value is exist of this equation. Okay. PQ is a 10 units. The value of y is 3 or value of y is minus 9. Are you understand, friends? Yes. So these problems I already exercise 7.1 up to 8 questions already over. So in the next classes, the remaining questions are there in this exercise. We have to discuss in the next classes, and also next concept also we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay. Thank you, students.